Mabuhay! I'm Shinil Reyes and you're watching Shinil's channel. Annyeonghaseyo! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, everyone. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or like this video. Comment something about 17. So, I'm also a carrot. People not know that because I always share about EXO and NCT, but I'm also support 17, hindi lang halata. 17 released a new song named Thunder. Wait, parang nag-release na sila ng something Thunder before. Parang Sound the Thunder. Wait, hindi ba? Parang Korean. Hindi ba? Parang ay, ibang group. Ibang group pala yun. Never mind. Medyo hihinaan ko lang yung volume. It's going to be low volume because we might blocked by the... I know naman na you already watched the music video, so this is only gonna be my reaction video. Ano na naman kayang paandar ng 17? Go. Hey. Okay. Parang game, no? GTA. Sorry. Pogi! Parang game, no? Shucks! Mingyo! Yeah, the ring. Ay! Charing. Bias ko. Super pogi. Ano ba yan? Paka-pogi naman. Eh, parang, wait, nag-release pa ng something like this yung 17. Parang hindi pa, no? Hindi parang ganito. Kasi parang NCT yung mga ganito, diba? Very new. Sa 17, wait. Or hindi ko lang naalala yung pogi. We're not! Mawala naman yung poise natin. Eh. Ibang hirap na naman ng sayaw yun. Hindi na nga, kakapagod yung sayawin ng choreo ng 17. Dati kasi sinasayaw ko siya. Papagod ako. Pogi. Parang hindi ko napapansin si DK. Saan siya? Ayan na nga. Wala, tapos na. Okay. Baba naman, 17. So, that's Thunder by 17. Parang ano lang siya, very, well, may hawak na hanger. Well, they released like this din naman, yung parang party, yung parang maano yung lights. Parang naalala ko dun yun sa Fear. Favorite song ko kasi yun. Parang, ayun talaga yung naalala ko. Yung Fear, parang gano'n, 'di ba, yung mga, yung parang type of, yung lighting nila. Ayun, super popogi. Bakit? Super popogi, and that's my very, very short reaction video. Siyempre, crazy for Hansol, as always. Jayon, Jang Jayon. Miyane. Stream Thunder by 17. Sabi din ng dogs ko. They're barking. So yan. Stream Thunder. 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 Yeah. Stream. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one. Annyeong.